Hi guys, this is Java programming tutorial and I'm official Hord. Now last class we fixed the buttons, or we created the buttons for pi, factorial, square and square root. Today we'll be doing buttons for cube root, modulus and um, the exponential, the exponential value e and e raised power x. We'll be fixing those for today. So please watch carefully and don't miss out in any part. So quickly copy this because we'll be doing the modulus first. Copy this button and paste. You would have to extend your interface to be able to do this, because previously it was smaller, but I extended mine. So mod and enter. Now for us to do the modulus, we'll need it to we'll be using integer values instead of double values. So we'll create our integer values now. To where you declared this under public class and say int mod1, mod2, and go back to your design view, right click on the mode, go to event, action performed, and now what do we enter here? Mod1 equals integer dot pass int screen dot get text. Now we used integer to pass into here because a string cannot be converted directly to an integer value except you do this, because integers and strings are different data types and their values cannot be interchanged. So next we'll be saying now we'll say operation equals, we have previously declared operation value of there, and what do we want it to be? Modulus. So next we say screen dot set text. Now this, after taking in the value for mode 1 and the operation, this tells the system to clear the screen. So next we'll go to the equal to sign, right click, event, action performed. We have previously used this for sum, subtraction, multiplication and division, so now based for modulus also. Simply say else if what operation dot equals. Now what are we searching for in operation? We're searching for this. So now if that is the operation, what should the system do? We want system to find modulus of number 1 and 2, so we'll say int modulus equals mod1 modulus, sorry, mod2 modulus of mode 1. So now first we have not inputted any value for mode 2, so we'll come up here and say mode 2 equals integer dot pass int. Now make sure you don't miss any part of all this. Screen dot get text. Be careful with your spellings in Java. So what do we want to do after it has found the the value for this modulus and save it in the data space modulus. We want it to output on the screen, so it's going to be screen.setText. Now, because you cannot just output a an integer value in form of a string directly, you have to first convert it to string. So we're saying string dot value of, it's always there for you, and in here just type modulus. Now right click and run file. So let's test if what we wrote is correct. Now 5 mod 2 equals sorry, I think we made a mistake here. Right click and run file. So we say 5 mod 2 equals what 1, and next let's test 5 mod 3 equals 2, and let's test 5 mod 4 equals 1 also. So that way you can find the modulus of any number. For example, 52 mod 3 equals 2, and like that over and over time. Now next we'll be doing that of cube roots. So close your program, go to your design view and copy this and paste. So bring this beside this young man here and cube roots. Now right click, go to events, action performed, as we usually do. Now the cube root has a method in java.math, so it is a little bit easier to fix. Just say number 1, as we have been using previously, equals double dot pass double screen dot get text. Now we want to find the cube root of number 1, right? So I'm going to be saying double cbrt equals what? Now what do we want to find the cube root, right? So we say math dot cbrt, that is cube root, and in here we're going to say number 1. Now please don't miss anything else, be careful with your spellings. Then say screen dot set text. This is to give us the output string dot value of, and what do we want to say here? cbrt. Now right click and run file. To test, we're going to find the cube root of 21, and cube root of 21 is 2.758921. That is approximately 3. Let's find the cube root of 15, 2.4, 2.7, 4, 1.5. So that's how to find the cube root of any number. Then next, let's move to the exponent, to e. Now just like we have the pi value in mathematics, we also have the standard exponential value in mathematics, which can be represented by just small e. So let's do this e. Now right click, go to events, action perform. Right, so we're going to be saying if, first of all, we're starting with an if statement. So if screen dot get text dot equals empty, as if the input, if there's no number in the input, what should happen? Say screen dot set text. Okay, the screen is wrong. Now string dot value of, making this as simple as possible, math dot what e. This is it, math dot e. So now if the user does not input anything, then this should happen. But what if it does? You say else else number one, or if you don't want to do this, you can just do it directly, but I like us to do this. Number one equals screen double dot pass double, screen dot get text. And next line I'm going to say number one, but let's use number two now, because to number one times math dot e, then screen dot set text string dot value of number two. So if you run this file, and let's see what we have. If you click E, we have 2.7182. Now if you click 4E, it's 4 multiplied by the number. If you click 2E, it's 2 multiplied by that number. If you say 3E, it's 3 multiplied by the value of E. 5E, it's 5 multiplied by the value of E. So we have fixed the E. Now next thing I'd like us to work on is the x raised to power y. X raised to power y. Now in mathematics, okay, before we work on x raised to power y, I'd like us to work on 10 raised to power x, and it's 10 raised to power any value you entered. Go to your design view and let's copy one of the small buttons. So drag and drop here. Now going to 10 raised to power x. I think we have to do this. So right click, go to events, action performed. Now use the knowledge we have used previously. We're going to say number one equals double dot pass double screen dot get text, and next we're going to be saying now number two equals math dot power No, 10 raised to power number 1. Then close your brackets. Then next we're going to say in the screen, let's set text string dot value of, and here we're going to be saying number 2. So if you right click and run file, you see that if we say 2, that is 10 raised to power 2, 10 raised to power 2 now is what, 100. If we impute 4, 10 raised to power 4 is 10,000. If we impute 143, 10 raised to power 143 is 10 times, is 1 times 10 raised to power 143. So like that, we can also do the same thing for x raised to power y. Well, I'll leave you to do that, and drop your comments if you have any issues while working on that. Have a nice day. Bye.